Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Star Chart Book Dow generally is exchanging at 23 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.51% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Polies truly has a sort of complete market cap of $35,263,291 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $281,946 in an unobtrusive manner. This sort of makes Star Chart Book Dow genuinely positioning at 492 in the cryptographic money market, which really is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Star Map Book Dow cost expectation end of 2023. What will Star Map Book Dow fundamentally be in every practical sense? Worth in 2023, or so they thought. Is Star Map Book Dow a kind of wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Poli's cost outperform its record-breaking high, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking? These in a real sense are our Star Map Book Dow cost expectations for Poli's future, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Star Map Book Dow value forecast 2023, or so they basically thought. As per the Star Map Book Dow gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Poli's value sort of is supposed to essentially cross a normal value level of 32 cents. The normal extremely least value worth of Star Chart Book Dow toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to especially be 31 cents, which is very huge. Besides, Poli's can sort of arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of 36 cents. Further appearance how these explicitly are our Star Map Book Dow cost expectations for Poli's future, which certainly is very huge. Star Chart Book Dow value expectation April 2023. Star Map Book Dow cost truly is supposed to reach between 23 cents to 26 cents in April 2023, while the kind of typical cost of Poli's for the April in every practical sense stays around 25 cents. Star Chart Book Dow value figure May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of Star Map Book Dow is supposed to really be at around a kind of least of 25 cents. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, Star Map Book Dow cost can arrive at a fundamentally limit of 27 cents with the by and large normal cost of 26 cents in USD, which basically is very huge. Star Chart Book Dow value expectation June 2023. The cost for Star Map Book Dow in June 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 25 cents and 28 cents, which really is genuinely critical. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around 27 cents, which certainly is very huge. Star Chart Book Dow value figure July 2023. The fundamentally normal cost of Star Map Book Dow could in every practical sense go to 27 cents toward the finish of July 2023, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Star Chart Book Dow value expectation April 2023. Star Map Book Dow cost is supposed to sort of reach between 23 cents to 26 cents in April 2023, while the exceptionally normal cost of Poli's for the April in every practical sense stays around 25 cents. Star Chart Book Dow value gauge May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of Star Chart Book Dow generally is supposed to be at around a genuinely least of 25 cents, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Poli's could generally be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of 29 cents with the truly least expected cost of 26 cents in a really significant manner. Poli's value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Star Chart Book Dow especially is determined to be at around a base worth of 27 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. The Star Map Book Dow value worth can especially arrive at an in every practical sense limit of 30 cents with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 28 cents in USD, which for the most part is very huge. Poli's value conjecture September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Star Map Book Dow truly is supposed to for the most part arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of 28 cents, exhibiting that this truly makes Star Map Book Dow essentially positioning at 492 in the digital money market, or so they in every practical sense thought. The Poli's cost could in a real sense arrive at a greatest cost of 32 cents with the in every practical sense normal cost around 29 cents in an unpretentious way. Star Map Book Dow value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Star Map Book Dow could basically stretch around 33 cents. So starting around the 20th of April 2023, Star Map Book Dow especially is exchanging at 23 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.51% in most recent 1 hour in an exceptionally significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of pulleys in October 2023 fundamentally is 29 cents with a truly normal cost of 30 cents in an essentially enormous manner. Star Chart Book Dow Value Figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Star Chart Book Dow most certainly is by and large anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a genuinely normal cost of 31 cents, while the coin could exchange between a limit of 35 cents and a truly least of 30 cents in a by and large enormous manner. Star Chart Book Dow Value Estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the very most extreme cost for Star Chart Book Dow could stretch around 36 cents in a very enormous manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of pulleys in December 2023 sort of is 31 cents with a really normal cost of 32 cents. Genuinely further appearance how Star Map Book Dow Value Expectation April 2023. Star Chart Book Dow cost in a real sense is supposed to basically reach between 23 cents to 26 cents in April 2023, while the very normal cost of pulleys for the April certainly remains around 25 cents. Star Map Book Dow Value Estimate May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of Star Chart Book Dow is supposed to for the most part be at around a by and large least of 25 cents, which explicitly is very huge. Star Chart Book Dow kind of passed value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been somewhat diminished by 2.95% in its in every practical sense current worth, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Assuming we by and large analyze the very current market cap of the pulleys with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap fundamentally is additionally down, which especially is genuinely huge. Star Chart Book Dow in every practical sense is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, which basically demonstrates the way that POLIS could explicitly be exchanging around a very greatest worth of 29 cents with the for the most part least expected cost of 26 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The pulleys is down to nearly 12.68% in the especially most recent 7 days. By and large further appearance how might pulleys cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high in a very significant manner. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for commonly past essentially couple of days. The coin could basically have major areas of strength for truly at the same time. We don't sort of figure that it would a beneficial resource in especially present moment, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Star Map Book Dow Value Gauge 2023, showing how POLIS for the most part has an extremely all-out market cap of $35,263,291 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $281,946 in an unpretentious manner. What will generally be Star Chart Book Dow most certainly worth in 2023, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The pulleys cost explicitly is gauged to arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 36 cents with especially least cost of 31 cents toward the finish of 2023, which by and large is genuinely critical. Star's Chart Book Dow basically have a future in an unpretentious manner. As far as value, Star Chart Book Dow truly has an extraordinary potential to truly arrive at new levels, which generally is very critical. It truly is conjecture that pulleys will increment in esteem, showing how by and large is Star Map Book Dow a very wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a fundamentally significant manner, as indicated by really unambiguous specialists and business experts. Star Chart Book Dow can especially stir things up around town much the most exorbitant cost of $1.53 till 2030. So Star Chart Book Dow